Hello traders, I'm Ignat Borisenko, and in this video I'm going to share with you my current wave trading. So first let's have a look at the euro-dollar 4 hours chart, and here we've got a possible zigzag in wave B with a small diagonal triangle in this wave C, like ABC. So there is an opportunity to have a bullish impulse in this wave C, and it's likely that the third wave of this wave C has been started, so we've got a new local high. However, I don't have any trades on euro because I have shorts on dollar index where we've got quite same story, and there is an opportunity to have wave 2, this structure in a form of a double zigzag like ABC, which is W, ABC, which is X, and it's likely that we're going to see another ABC, which could be wave Y. I've got two short trades here, and I'm going to trade only a small wave C of this possible wave Y. There is a possible upward impulse on Australian dollar. This price movement could be wave A. Wave 5 has been started, so it's likely that we're going to have a new high here very soon. At the same time, I don't have any trades here because I'm just waiting when this wave E ends and we see a pullback from this moving average line. If so, I'm going to sell to trade a possible wave 5. And also I have a short trade on pound because it's likely to have wave 5 here, but this wave 5 could also be ended here, so in this case we're going to have wave 4 and I'm going to got my break-even stop loss. If so, I'll be out of the market for a couple of hours, and when we see an ending of wave 4, when it be something like we saw it here, and if we see a bearish impulse afterwards, I'm going to sell to trade this wave 5 of this wave 1. Also, I'm out of the market on Japanese yen because there is an opportunity to have wave 4 in this possible diagonal triangle in wave C. So I'm going to sell when we see a zigzag, for example here, and a small bearish impulse inside this possible wave 5. However, there is also an opportunity to have a triangle here, a triangle in wave B, which could be like A, B, C, D, E, and wave B moves here, so in this case after this correction there will be an opportunity to have wave 3 in this wave C, which could be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to sell after this correction to trade wave 5 in this count, which means we have diagonal triangle, or it also could be wave 3 of wave C. I've just bought Australian dollar versus New Zealand dollar because we've got an extension in the third wave and there is an opportunity to have one more bullish impulse. So I'm going to trade this possible price movement in this wave 3. And it's quite tricky story on the euro pound because bulls are approaching the last high, so there is an opportunity to have a diagonal triangle in wave 5. So I don't buy it, don't sell, I'm just waiting when this impulse structure becomes more clear. And we've got a gap on Turkish lira, so I'm out of the market and I'm just waiting when this correction ends. Also, there is a wave count, which means we can have here a wedge in wave A, so this correction could be a little bit bigger. And it could be wave B, this wave B. So I'm just waiting when this correction ends. It could be small, it could be bigger. So I'm waiting something we had here. ABC zigzag and a small bullish impulse, which could be a confirmation that the next bullish impulse started. And my favorite market is pound versus yen, where we've got a possible extension in this wave 3 and it's also a bearish impulse in this wave C. So I've got two short trades here and I'm going to sell more to trade this possible impulse movement in this wave C. I've just closed one of my trades on African rand because there is a risk to have a zigzag here and then it means wave C could be continued. So I have two trades, stops are here and I'm just waiting what we're going to have here. If it be a zigzag and a small bullish impulse afterwards, I'm going to buy more to trade this possible impulse in this wave 1. Wave 4 on silver is likely going to be continued, maybe it takes a form of a triangle, so I'm out of the market and I'm just waiting what we see here. Maybe it's gonna be another test of this moving average line. At the same time, gold is rising, so there's an opportunity to have wave 5 in this wave 1, and then we're likely going to see a correction which could be this wave 2, and it also could be quite deep, so I'm going out of the market when this wave 5 ends. And it's happy Monday on wheat, cause we've got this bearish impulse which could be wave 5. I've got 3 short trades here, and I'm going to sell even more to trade this possible impulse in wave 5. There is a possible third wave on natural gas which has been started right after a pullback from this moving average line. So I've got just one long trade, and I'm going to move my stop loss to a break-even zone here, and I'm going to buy more on the nearest correction to trade this possible bullish impulse, which also could be an extension. I mean, like this wave where we can see all its wave structure. And there is a possible correction on oil where we can have wave 2 in a form of double zigzag. I mean, like ABC, ABC, and another ABC. And here there is a possible the second wave of wave C, which is likely going to end soon, so I keep my short trade which was opened here. So if we see here another downward impulse, I mean wave C, I'm going to sell even more somewhere in here to increase my short, but not here, because I usually increase my position only in a situation when I can move my stop loss to a break-even zone or even to a profitable level. And I am currently out of the market on Dow index, because we've got here a possible double zigzag in wave 2, which means we can have a new local low here very soon. So I'm going to buy only if we see a pullback from this moving average line, and also if we see here a small bullish impulse, which could be a confirmation that bulls are coming back. So that's all for today's video. Have a good day and profitable trades. Take care. Bye bye.